Hi everyone, welcome to Engl079. We are in week 1. Just a reminder, my name is Heather Cook. I will be your instructor this session. I just want to give a brief overview of what week 1 will look like. So I do understand that week 1 is the most challenging just because you are trying to get comfortable with Blackboard and learn what the expectations are. So I just want to help walk you through that a little bit. So you will click on the Weeks tab on the left-hand side here and go into the Week 1 folder. This is where it will show you Week 1 basics in writing and everything that is due this week. So first here says check out WellConnect. This is a free resource to all of our students. It's really helpful if you need a little bit of extra support. So definitely read up on that and make sure you bookmark it in case you do need it in the future. Next is the Engl079 Lecture 1, Basics in Writing. This will be very important to read through the document. Some of you might find it helpful to print it out and be able to highlight and take notes on it. I definitely recommend that. This will give you all of the strategies and tools that you need to be successful throughout the rest of the week. Next is the week 1 icebreaker. Now this is your discussion board. You will have a discussion board every single week in this class and in all of your other classes throughout your educational journey. You will have to post your initial discussion by Wednesday, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is so it gives you enough time between Wednesday and Saturday to engage with your peers and myself. This week, you will introduce yourself. So you're just going to give a brief background about you, where you're from, your family, things like that, just so we can get to know each other and break the ice because we will be working very closely with one another the entire session. Lastly, you have this week 1 introductory documents quiz down here at the bottom. You will have 3 attempts, and I want you to use all 3 if you don't earn the best grade that you can. So if you take it and you only get maybe a 75% and you would like to increase your grade, you can take that second attempt and try to earn a higher grade.